In this video, I'm going to try to show you how to set up a JavaScript development environment using Node.js and VS Code. So those tools are in the list here. One tool that pops in every once in a while is Git. I've already pre-downloaded these tools from the site, and also a little bit of advice about thinking about where you want to install stuff and probably not having paths with spaces and strange characters. So I'm going to right click on Git exe, run it as administrator. That is sort of my default option that I do in that. Next, and we'll change this to apps and small g. Should be good there. And that. And I do like to add it to the terminal. That's one thing I like to do. The rest of this kind of, nope, not quite default yet. And main. And the rest is kind of, yeah, defaults after this. There's just a lot of choices. And this can take a few seconds, so we will come back once it's done. Okay, Git is done. Don't need to see the release notes. Let's go finished. On to the next product, Node. And we'll just right click install. MSI files are a little bit different than exes. We'll go next on that. Accept. Again, change this to apps. Now, this one does have a slash on the end, so we'll leave that there. Next, accept a lot of the defaults there, and do an install. Now, usually there's a window that pops up, and so if it appears suddenly, we'll see. So it finally appeared here. We'll go yes. And we'll come back when it is done. It is done, so we will click finished in that. And then the last product will be VS Code. Now this one, if you try to right click run as administrator, it will probably tell you to download a different version. So we are just going to double click on this one. I will accept and put it into C apps VS Code, and we'll go from there. I do like to add it so I can right click on a folder and open it. We'll do an install and that, and we'll come back when it's done. So we are back. I don't need to launch it. I'll go finished, but I will right click on this and go open with VS Code. So I'm going to open up a new terminal, and all I want to do here is just check, hopefully my font's big enough for you to see, can VS Code see Node? And can VS Code see Git? Yes, it can. So I just want to show you quickly how to get those three products installed. Do a quick check to say, hey, can it actually see those tools we just installed? And that's all for this video.